Alright people, this your man Rajay 111 back with a quick one. We're going to take a look at some fuel guns, fuel stick, fuel gun. Alright, this is the ProTech fuel gun. I did a review on this couple months back. This one's from ProTech and it's just a gun type deal. Okay, works good, no problems, no issues. This one right here is the Ultimate Racing fuel stick. That's how it go. So when you grab your car, put down like that, fill it up. This is Ultimate Racing one, and let me get you a part number right there. Part number, that UR 1414 Ultimate Racing. Now I got mine from Brent from Bones Motorsports, so he's the ultimate dealer. He sells these too. Okay, now this here, I like this because it has the flip up cap. See that? Oops. Flip up cap like that. So you flip that cap up, stick your fuel bottle in there and fill her up. You're good to go. Boom. Car comes in, you grab it, you go. Just like that. Alright, now what I don't like with this gun, you see right here, this is a pinch point. Okay, so say the race is going on, you're trying to hurry up, fuel your man up or whatever, grab the car, this and that, and you have your hand too high, squeeze, boom. You see that right there? Let me zoom down for y'all. Zoom down. See that right there? Pinch point right there. See that? Right there. That's a pinch point. So you do that once or twice and it hurts like hell. Once or twice, you remember, keep your hands down here below. Grab it like that. You just have to remember that. You know what I mean? Boom. Alright. There's no pinch point on this. The only thing I didn't like with this was the back. This cap right here in the back gets a little catty whoppers. But it still works. No problems. Now they also sell a conversion kit to change this gun, this type of gun, over to the stick. This type of gun is called a Type 1, and the conversion is called TKO RC4 Speed Type 1 fuel gun, pistol to stick. Okay, so you'll go from the pistol grip to the stick. Now the problem with that is it's gonna be one, hard to find. Absolute Hobbies sold them, but they sold all out of them. But if you can find one, it's the TKO RC4 SB Type 1 pistol grip to stick. Okay, so if you got this gun, there is a conversion to convert it over to this, but you have to find it. Absolute Hobbies are sold out of them now. Alright, but you might be able to find it somewhere else. Alright, now I know somebody will ask, which one's better, which one's faster? It's not necessarily a better thing. They both going to leak, because of the O-rings. That's just what happens with these guns. If you don't want them to leak, you got to spend a little bit of bread. But they do have O-ring rebuild kits for them. Alright, so not necessarily faster or better. It's just what more you're comfortable with. So if you're comfortable, your ergonomics is better with the stick, and you can fuel the car faster and send it out of pit lane faster with the stick, then yeah, the stick is going to be faster for you. Some people are so used to the gun. Like, I've used the gun for a while. I'm used to the gun. Only reason why I got the stick, because I did use the stick down at Fall Brawl, and I liked it. There's no problem. I just wanted both of them. Alright, so, but the gun, some of us are so used to using the gun. You grab the car, put it in, squeeze, boom, off you go. Okay, stick, I was able to grab the gun, boom, off it go. It's not necessarily a speed thing. It's what you feel better, comfortable with, and that you can move faster, getting the car in and out of pit lane, basically. Alright, people, this is a quick one, but that is the Ultimate Racing fuel stick. Part number UR 1414. You can get these from my man Brent from BonesMotorsports.com. That's it, baby. Alright, this ProTech one, I have a video about this one a couple videos back if you want to check it out. Alright, but she's still hanging in there, hasn't leaked yet, haven't had to rebuild her, nothing yet. So this one gonna be the next one up to flex. Alright, people, so this your man Rajay 111 with a quick one, baby. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.